Welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams program. Today's first question is, according to section 317 subsection 1 of BNSS, where can't stolen property be transferred or misappropriated? Option A, only within India. Option B, only outside India. Option C, either within or outside India. Option D, only by public officials. The correct answer is option C, either within or outside India. Recently, in the Hiralal Babulal Soni versus the state of Maharashtra case, the Supreme Court laid down the law on possession of stolen property under section 411 of the Indian Penal Code, 1860, now covered under section 317 of BNS. As per the section 317, subsection 1 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita or the BNS, चोरी की संपत्ति का हस्तांतरण, दुरुपयोग या अपराधी विश्वासघात के दायरे में शामिल हो सकती है, भारत में या भारत के बाहर. Second question is, who is obligated to report an offence under section 19, subsection 1 of the POCSO Act? Option A, only law enforcement officers. Option B, only the victim. Option C, only parents or guardians. Option D, any person, including a child. The correct answer is option D, any person, including a child. Recently, in the Dr. Ditto Tom P. versus State of Kerala, Kerala High Court held that sanction under section 197 of the CRPC or section 218 of BNSS is not mandatory to prosecute a public servant for offences under section 21 read with section 19 of the POCSO Act, as per the section 19 subsection 1 of the POCSO Act, notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, any person including the child who has apprehension that an offence under this Act is likely to be committed or has knowledge that such an offence has been committed, he shall provide such information to A, the Special Juvenile Police Unit, or B, the local police. Third question is, who is granted immunity under Article 212, Clause 2 for regulating legislative procedures? Option A, judges. Option B, legislative officers and members. Option C, the President. Option D, state government employees. The correct answer is option B, legislative officers and members. Article 212 of the Constitution establishes immunity for legislative proceedings from judicial scrutiny on grounds of procedural irregularities. Clause 1 prohibits courts from questioning the validity of state legislative proceedings based on alleged procedural irregularities. Clause 2 provides immunity from judicial oversight to legislative officers or members vested with powers for regulating procedure, conducting business, or maintaining order within the legislature. Fourth question is, which section of the MTP Act outlines the authorized facilities for pregnancy termination? Option A, Section 3. Option B, Section 5. Option C, Section 4. Option D, Section 6. The correct answer is option C, Section 4. Section 4 of the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, 1971, or the MTP Act, permits pregnancy termination at government hospitals or approved private facilities. Last question is, the punishment for the offence of forgery of a will is prescribed under section option A, 463 of Indian Penal Code. Option B, 468 of Indian Penal Code. Option C, 467 of Indian Penal Code. Option D, 471 of Indian Penal Code. The correct answer is option C, 467 of Indian Penal Code. Section 467 of Indian Penal Code deals with the forgery of valuable security, will, etc. Now it is covered under Section 338 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. Now it's time for practice question. Dishonesty making false claim in court is an offence under Section Option A, 215 of Indian Penal Code, Option B, 209 of Indian Penal Code. Option C, 195 of Indian Penal Code. Option D, 196 of Indian Penal Code. Share your answers in the comment section. Thanks for watching.